Modern orange juice begins long before the factory, right here in the groves.
Every harvest starts with visual and tactile inspection. Careful cutting protects fruit quality.
Consistency ensures uniform raw material. Harvested fruit moves quickly to staging. Shading protects freshness after harvest. Field logistics begin immediately.
Proper stacking prevents bruising.
Every load is secured before movement. Fresh oranges leave the grove. The journey to processing begins. Field transport hands over to industrial logistics.
Proper alignment prevents shifting.
Oranges move within a controlled supply chain.
Processing facilities come into view.
Entry is tightly controlled.
Each load is directed precisely.
Teams are pre-assigned to every delivery.
This is the first contact with automation.
Flow must remain uninterrupted.
Oranges enter controlled environments.
Size and volume are measured instantly. Next, the cleaning process begins. Cleaning begins with high-pressure water removal. Surface dirt and debris are washed away. Multiple rinse stages ensure cleanliness. Final rinsing prepares fruit for sorting. Visual defects are identified instantly. Only suitable fruit proceeds further. Speed and accuracy work together.
Uniform size improves extraction efficiency.
Cleanliness standards are verified.
The line stabilizes before processing.
Clean fruit moves toward juice extraction.
Juicing begins with precise mechanical extraction. Pulp is separated for texture control. Preheating prepares juice for pasteurization. Heat treatment ensures safety. Temperature is constantly monitored. Homogenization creates uniform texture. Natural flavors are preserved. Flavor consistency is restored. Juice waits briefly for high-tech automation. Hygiene is verified continuously. Automation prevents contamination. The juice is now fully stabilized.
Advanced automation takes over next.
Heat treatment ensures product safety.
Pasteurization removes harmful microorganisms.
Exact temperatures are strictly maintained.
Rapid cooling preserves natural flavor. Flavors are preserved separately. Aroma is returned to maintain freshness. Consistency improves shelf stability. Juice waits briefly for final processing.
Hygiene is constantly verified.
Automation ensures precise handling of each unit.
Positioning accuracy is critical before filling. Juice filling begins in a controlled environment. Each bottle receives the exact measured amount. Aseptic conditions protect freshness.
Acidity is measured to maintain flavor balance.
Sugar content ensures consistent sweetness. Microbial safety is continuously monitored.
Visual quality ensures consumer appeal.
Correct temperature is critical for stability. Every batch is digitally tracked. Only the highest quality bottles proceed to packaging. Bottles are packed for transport. Packaging is sealed for protection. Logistics data follows every shipment. Automation stacks cartons precisely. Stability is engineered into every pallet. Loads are secured for movement.
Inventory is digitally confirmed.
Be a boot store. Finished product enters storage.
Freshness is preserved until dispatch.
Orders trigger final movement.
Distribution begins here. Juice heads to retailers worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.